Hey guys, welcome back to my vegan channel. I've got something a little bit different for you today. I would usually do this on my vlog channel, but since this is a food channel about vegan food, I figured I'd do it on my vegan channel this time. So we've got a food haul, a huge one from Trader Joe's. We just got back. So here is the overview. We got everything over here and everything on the island is from Trader Joe's. So I guess let's start in the back row. I'm gonna need 3 strong boys. No, we got just the clusters, chocolate almond granola cereal. I've never gotten this before. Yes, it's junk food. I wouldn't eat that as cereal, but I would eat it as a snack or maybe like with some fruit. Like I'd have a little tiny bowl of that and then have some fruit with it. We treated the dogs to some chicken and sweet potato flavored dog treats. They love sweet potatoes. Every time I make them sweet potatoes, they gobble it right down. Usually I get the Trader Joe's peanut butter biscuits for them and they are okay with it. They're just like, this is just a biscuit. What's so special? So I have never gotten the sweet potato ones before. I don't know if they're seasonal or what, but I'm gonna give it a shot and see if they like it. Don't know if they will. Stocked up on the green chilies because I really like to add these to my red lentil chili. You can't go to Trader Joe's and not get a jar of everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend. You have to get it. You just have to. So I picked up another one. In fact, at one point, I had bought so many of them that I put them in this jar over here. So I'm just going to add it to this jar because that's how much we love it and we use a lot of it. We don't get to Trader Joe's very often, probably only 4 to 5 times a year because where we live, we don't have a Whole Foods, we don't have a Sprouts, we don't have Trader Joe's, we have Aldi, but that's it. It's at least 12 miles away, so we don't get there all the time. So to go to Trader Joe's is a real treat. So we usually stock up and stock up big. I got 4 cans of the green jackfruit. Short of Trader Joe's, I don't know where else I would buy this besides like an Asian supermarket. And guess what? We don't have those either. The closest H Mart I could think is pretty far. It's funny, where we used to live down in the city and go shopping at A&P, they changed it to an H Mart. I would have been so happy there shopping at H Mart, but what are you gonna do? I moved up into nowhere. We got some fat-free refried beans, 2 cans of those, and then I got one just for me with jalapeno peppers in it because sometimes I like it a little spicy. Sometimes I find refried beans to be a little bit bland, so I like a little bit of zhuzhing in there, so unfortunately I'm the only one who likes that. We got some organic coconut milk. This, again, I use in my red lentil chili. We got some coconut cream. This I use in the cheesecake, no bake, and regular varieties. Gotta have some vegan cheesecake, right? I think this is seasonal because it's pumpkin pepita salsa. I think that's probably one of the only seasonal things I bought besides 2 actual pumpkins. I got some chocolate chips. Gotta stock up. Holiday baking's coming up, so they have the best price on the vegan chocolate chips. 3 bags of those. I think they're like $1.99. But be forewarned, the chunks are not vegan. The chips are vegan, the chunks are not vegan. We were starving, so we split a veggie wrap with hummus in the car. It was really good. And we tried out the house brand of organic mango kombucha. I thought it was good. Mark thought he likes the GT's mango better. Is it Mystic Mango? Yeah. I think it's Mystic Mango. It's also twice the amount of calories, so yeah. And twice the sugar, so of course he's gonna like that one better. But I thought that was nice and light. We also got some Chipotle black bean dip because we absolutely love black bean dip. We have been trying to find black bean dip everywhere. The only other place that we ever found it was at Aldi. And I don't even think they have it anymore because every time we've been to Aldi, they haven't had it. We got some coleslaw mix because I see some vegan spring rolls in our future. I got some fennel bulbs because I saw in the latest issue of Veg News, the holiday issue, they had a dish with fennel bulbs in it, so I wanted to give that a try. Old Standby tofurkey sausage. The Trader Joe's meatless meatballs are pretty amazing. They're the same thing as the Aldi ones. They're very good. They're one of our favorites. We got some tricolor organic carrots. So good. Maddie is always begging for these. We got a point of sale dark chocolate tin, so that we're going to enjoy that later. We got some dried baby bananas. The only ingredient in here is baby bananas, so that's pretty awesome. We got some crispy crunchy okra. That looks amazing as well. Sorry, there's a little glare there. We got the French green beans, aka haricot verts. We always get them when we go. We got 2 adorable pumpkins. How much were the pumpkins? $1.99 or $1.69? I think they were under $2 by a lot. We got some green goddess salad dressing. This was from the refrigerated section. It wasn't that cheap, but it looks really good and it's vegan, so it's got avocado in it. We're having falafel tonight, so I really stocked up on it. I got 4 bags of the frozen falafel. I don't often get over there, so I got 4 of the super firm tofu because this is my absolute favorite type of tofu. They have something very similar to this at the farm store by us, but it's a full $1 more per package. That sucks. So I stocked up on that. I'll just throw it in the freezer. We got some veggie and flaxseed tortilla chips. This is the first time I'm trying the Trader Joe's liquid dish soap. It is, as far as I can see, vegan and not tested on animals, which is pretty amazing. Flash says he really likes that. I do too. We got 2 containers of the vanilla soy creamy, because it's the best, cheapest ice cream I've ever had, vegan. And last but not least, we got 2 glass jars of the organic pomegranate juice. 100% organic pomegranate juice. My husband does 1 shot of that every day when he comes home from 2 shots actually. You do 2 shots, right?
1.5.
1.5. Because it's full of antioxidants. It's great for your heart. It's just good. It's got like vitamins and I mean, why else would you drink juice, right? Makes you feel good and it's good for you. All right, I almost forgot the middle row here. We got some hummus with horseradish. We love horseradish. It's so it's got a nice bite to it. Just love it. We got 1 pack of the beefless ground for tacos or whatnot. And this is also a huge favorite, the mini vegetable samosas. We only got 1 pack though because we really don't have a lot of room in the new refrigerator. So I had to really be judicious about what was frozen. So that is what we got today. We spent about $148. He got 3 things that weren't vegan. I didn't show them, so it's probably spent like $144 for all of the stuff that you saw. So there you go. There's my Trader Joe's haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more videos like this and or recipe videos and lifestyle videos. And until next time, much love.